Do you want to add a favorite icon to your WordPress blog? Well, what a favorite icon is if you go up to the address bar here for rungoss.org, you'll see a little image. It's our logo that appears with our web address. And to create this is very simple. And if you follow along, we'll take you through how we go about creating favorite icons for our websites. So the first step in developing your favorite icon is figuring out what image you want to use for it, and then saving that to a folder on your computer that'll be easy to navigate. And then the second step you're going to need to do is to find a software program, usually on the internet, that can create your favorite icon for you. And there's a number of free ones out there, and there's different ones that you can experiment with. One I've been using for years, and I've got it here, is FavIcons from Pix at HTML-Kit. Their web address is actually www.htmlkit.com. They do ask for a donation button to use their services to help them continue to develop this software. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to develop your favorite icon from this website. The only thing you have to do here is click the browse button, and we're going to browse to where I've saved my image on the computer, and we're going to upload it to their website. Okay, you can see the image is now uploaded to their site. It's called rpyt.jpg, and all you do now is hit generate favicon button, and it's generated two icons. It shows you what it looks like. We have a still shot, and we have one that has a slight animation to it. And now you just have to hit download the FavIcon package to your computer. And I'm just going to hit save file. And now a zip file is being added to my computer, and then we'll use that in uploading to our blog. So we just have a quick screenshot here. I just want to show you that in our folder where we had the original image, we now have a FavIcon zip folder. And I'm simply going to use WinZip that we have on our computer to extract to here. And you see the README, they'll give you some instructions on how you can use it. We're going to use a plugin on our WordPress blog for this. But we have our FavIcon file right there at a 32 by 32 dimension, and we've animated one at 16 by 16. So we're now back on our WordPress blog, reservedparking.net. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the media button here, and we're going to add the icon onto our system. I'm just going to add new there. And then I'm going to select the files to upload. And we can see the files have been uploaded onto our computer. And we have the FavIcon there, and we have the animated FavIcon. And these are in our media folders that we can now direct a path to these images when we install our plugin, which we're going to do next. So there are different FavIcon plugins that you could use on WordPress. There's one that I like. It's called Multi-Icon. We're going to upload it right now. And it gives you the ability to set a FavIcon path. And it also allows you to use images that could be saved to a smartphone screen more so than the one that's generated right on your smartphone. So to get it, we go to Plugins. We hit Add New. And we're going to go into our search box, and we're going to type in Multi-Icon and search plugin. Oh, that didn't work for us. So let's see. Multi-Icon, maybe one eye. Okay, and that looks like it there. Multi-Icon, so we're going to install now. And installing plugins, we're going to activate the plugin. And now the plugin has been activated. So one thing I did was I jumped back into our media here. I went to our library. I found the image that I wanted, and I clicked on it. And the reason why is I wanted to get the file URL right here, because this is what I'm going to need to designate in the program as the path to where the image is. And I'm just going to Control-C that. And then we are going to go look for the multi-icon program. And you see FavIcon URL, indicate the absolute path to the FavIcon image, and notice favicon.ico, which is what our file is saved as. Control V. And you can add different favorite icons for dashboards, Apple Touch original icons, Apple Touch pre-composed icons. So there's a lot of things you can do there. I'm just going to save the changes. And now, when we go to our browser for reserved parking, we should get the little image up in the browser bar. So now here's the finished product for reserved parking. If you go up to our address bar here where you see reservedparking.net, you'll notice our little icon sitting there. Now, if yours isn't, and what you have to always be aware is, and we'll talk about cache programs later on, but if you have a cache program that's running right now and your icon's not showing up, you might want to delete the cache. It's going to regenerate a new cache and your icon may show up then. That might be the stalling effect, or when your cache regenerates, it will appear then. And so that's installing a favorite icon.